Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into Azure File Shares. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started, from understanding the basics to creating and managing your file shares with code examples. Table of Contents. 1. Introduction to Azure File Shares. What are Azure File Shares? Why use Azure File Shares? Key features and benefits. Azure File Share tiers, standard versus premium. 2. Prerequisites. Azure subscription. Azure CLI or PowerShell. Storage Explorer, optional. Programming environment, example Python with Azure SDK. 3. Creating an Azure storage account. Using the Azure portal. Using Azure CLI. Using Azure PowerShell. 4. Creating an Azure file share. Using the Azure portal. Using Azure CLI. Using Azure PowerShell. 5. Connecting to an Azure file share. Mounting on Windows. Mounting on Linux. Mounting on Mac OS. 6. Accessing file shares programmatically. Using Python with the Azure Storage SDK. Code examples, uploading, downloading, listing files. 7. Managing permissions and security. Shared access signatures, SAS. Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, authentication. Network security, firewalls, virtual networks. 8. Backup and recovery. Snapshots. Azure Backup. 9. Monitoring and logging. Azure Monitor. Storage analytics. 10. Cost considerations. Storage costs. Transaction costs. Egress costs. 11. Advanced topics. Azure File Sync. Large file shares. Performance optimization. 12. Troubleshooting. 13. Best practices. 1. Introduction to Azure File Shares. What are Azure File Shares? Azure File Shares are fully managed file shares in the cloud accessible via the industry standard Server Message Block, SMB, protocol, Network File System, NFS, protocol, preview, or via the File REST protocol. Azure File Shares can be mounted concurrently by cloud or on-premises deployments of Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Why use Azure File Shares? Shared access. Centralize file storage and enable shared access for applications and users. Eliminate file servers. Replace on-premises file servers with a fully managed, scalable, and highly available cloud solution. Lift and shift. Easily migrate existing applications that rely on file shares to Azure without code changes. Hybrid cloud. Seamlessly integrate with on-premises environments via Azure File Sync. Scalability and performance. Azure File Shares scale to meet your needs and offer various performance tiers. Key features and benefits. Fully managed. No need to manage hardware, operating systems, or file system patching. SMB protocol. Compatible with existing applications that use SMB. NFS protocol, preview support for Linux-based workloads and applications that require NFS shares. Scalable. Pay-as-you-go pricing and the ability to scale storage capacity on demand. Highly available. Data is replicated across multiple fault domains to ensure availability. Asterisk durable asterisk data is stored on durable storage media to protect against data loss. Asterisk secure asterisk encrypted in transit and at rest, with options for Azure AD authentication. Asterisk accessible asterisk from anywhere with an internet connection. Asterisk Azure file share tiers, standard versus premium. Asterisk standard asterisk backed by hard disk drives, HDDs. Suitable for general purpose file sharing, development/testing, and backups. More cost effective for infrequent access. Asterisk premium asterisk backed by solid state drives, SSDs. Designed for performance sensitive workloads, such as databases, video editing, and high throughput applications. Offers consistent performance and low latency. Provisioned capacity model. 2. Prerequisites. Before you start, ensure you have the following. Asterisk Azure subscription asterisk you'll need an active Azure subscription. If you don't have one, you can create a free account. Asterisk Azure CLI or PowerShell asterisk the Azure CLI, command line interface, or Azure PowerShell modules allow you to manage Azure resources from the command line. Install one of these on your machine. Asterisk Azure CLI asterisk https://docs.microsoft.com/enus/cli/azure/install Azure CLI https://docs.microsoft.com/n-us/cli/azure/install-azure-cli asterisk Azure PowerShell asterisk https://docs.microsoft.com/enus/powershell/azure/install azps view equals ASP 10.3.0 https://docs.microsoft.com/enus/powershell/azure/install azps view equals ASP 10.3.0 asterisk Storage Explorer, optional a GUI tool for managing Azure storage resources. Useful for browsing files and folders. https://azure.microsoft.com/enus/products/storage/storage explorer/ https://azure.microsoft.com/n-us/products/storage/storage-explorer asterisk programming environment, example Python with Azure SDK. If you want to access file shares programmatically, you'll need a suitable programming environment and the Azure SDK for your chosen language. We'll use Python in this example. Asterisk Python asterisk https://www.python.org/download/ https://www.python.org/downloads asterisk Azure Storage SDK for Python asterisk pip install Azure Storage File Share. 3. Creating an Azure Storage Account. A storage account is the container for all your Azure storage resources, including file shares. Asterisk using the Azure portal asterisk. 1. Log into the Azure portal, https://portal.azure.com/ https://portal.azure.com. 2. Search for storage accounts and select the storage accounts service. 3. Click Create. 4. Fill in the required information. Asterisk subscription asterisk choose your Azure subscription. Asterisk resource group asterisk create a new resource group or select an existing one. Resource groups are logical containers for related Azure resources. Asterisk storage account name asterisk a unique name for your storage account, example my unique storage account. Asterisk location asterisk choose the Azure region where you want to store your data, example East US. Asterisk performance asterisk select standard or premium. For this example, we'll use standard. Asterisk redundancy asterisk choose the redundancy option. Locally redundant storage, LRS, is the most basic and cost-effective. For higher availability, consider geo-redundant storage, GRS, or zone-redundant storage, ZRS. 5-click Review plus Create and then Create. Asterisk using Azure CLI asterisk. Replace My Resource Group and Mistage account with your desired names. Choose a location near you. Standard_LRS is the storage account SKU. Other options include standard_GRS, standard_ZRS, premium_LRS. Asterisk using Azure PowerShell asterisk. Replace My Resource Group and Mistage account with your desired names. Choose a location near you. Standard_LRS is the storage account SKU. 4. Creating an Azure file share. Now that you have a storage account, you can create a file share within it. Asterisk using the Azure portal asterisk. 1. Go to your storage account in the Azure portal. 2. In the left-hand menu, under Data Storage, click File Shares. 3. Click plus File Share. 4. Enter a name for your file share, example MyFile Share. 5. Select a tier, example Transaction Optimized. 6. Enter the provisioned capacity. If using Premium, you can leave default for Standard tier. 7. Click Create. Asterisk using Azure CLI asterisk. Replace MyFile Share with your desired file share name and Mistage account with your storage account name. Asterisk using Azure PowerShell asterisk. Replace MyFile Share with your desired file share name and ensure My Resource Group and Mistage account are correctly set. 5. Connecting to an Azure file share. You can mount an Azure file share on your local machine or on a virtual machine. This allows you to access it like a regular network drive. Asterisk mounting on Windows asterisk. 1. In the Azure portal, go to your file share. 2. Click Connect. 3. Select Windows. 4. Copy the provided PowerShell script. 5. Open PowerShell as an administrator on your Windows machine. 6. Paste and run the script. You may need to enter your storage account key when prompted. You can find your storage account key in the Azure portal by going to your storage account -security plus networking -access keys. Asterisk mounting on Linux asterisk. 1. In the Azure portal, go to your file share. 2. Click Connect. 3. Select Linux. 4. Copy the provided script. The script will typically involve installing CIFS utils, or similar, and using the mount command. 5. Open a terminal on your Linux machine. 6. Paste and run the script. You may need to enter your storage account key when prompted. Example Linux mount command, replace placeholders. Asterisk storage_account_name, your storage account name. Asterisk file_share_name, your file share name. Asterisk mount_point, a directory on your Linux system where you want to mount the file share, example /mnt/Azure files. Create the directory first. If it doesn't exist, sudo mkdir /mnt/Azure files. Asterisk storage_account_key, your storage account key. Asterisk mounting on Mac OS asterisk. 1. In the Azure portal, go to your file share. 2. Click Connect. 3. Select Mac OS. 4. Copy the provided script. The script will typically involve using the mount_smbfs command. 5. Open a terminal on your Mac OS machine. 6. Paste and run the script. You may need to enter your storage account key when prompted. Example Mac OS mount command, replace placeholders. Asterisk storage_account_name, your storage account name. Asterisk storage_account_key, your storage account key. Asterisk file underscore share underscore name, your file share name. Asterisk mount underscore point, a directory on your Mac OS system where you want to mount the file share, example /volume/ Azure files. Create the directory first if it doesn't exist. 6. Accessing file shares programmatically. Let's use Python and the Azure Storage SDK to access your file share. Asterisk using Python with the Azure Storage SDK. Install the necessary library. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk import azure.storage.file asterisk imports the Azure Storage SDK for file shares. Asterisk account underscore name and account underscore key asterisk replace these with your actual storage account credentials. Asterisk share underscore name asterisk the name of your file share. Asterisk file service asterisk creates a file service object to interact with Azure file shares. Asterisk upload underscore file asterisk uploads a file from a local path to the specified file share and directory. Asterisk download underscore file asterisk downloads a file from the file share to a local path. Asterisk list underscore files asterisk lists the files in the specified file share. Asterisk delete underscore file asterisk deletes the specified file from the file share. Asterisk error handling asterisk includes try, except blocks to handle potential exceptions. 7. Managing permissions and security. Asterisk shared access signatures, SAS. SAS tokens provide controlled, time-limited access to your file shares without sharing your storage account key. Asterisk account SAS asterisk grants access to multiple services within your storage account. Asterisk service SAS asterisk grants access to a specific file share or file. Example, generating a service SAS with Python. Important asterisk handle SAS tokens securely. Don't embed them directly in client-side code. Asterisk Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, authentication. Integrate Azure file shares with Azure AD for centralized identity management. This allows users and applications to access file shares using their Azure AD credentials. This is a more secure and modern approach compared to using storage account keys or SAS tokens. Steps. 1. Enable Azure AD authentication on the storage account asterisk configure the storage account to use Azure AD for file share access. This usually involves creating a storage account with Azure AD domain services, Azure AD DS, and granting permissions to the storage account identity. 2. Assign RBAC roles to users/groups asterisk grant users or groups specific roles on the file share. Common roles include Storage File Data SMB Share Reader, Storage File Data SMB Share Contributor, and Storage File Data SMB Share Elevated Contributor. You can assign these roles using the Azure portal or Azure CLI/PowerShell. 3. Mount the file share with Azure AD credentials asterisk on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. You can mount the file share using your Azure AD credentials. Asterisk Windows asterisk requires configuring the storage account for Active Directory integration. You can then use the netuse command with the /user and /persistent options to mount the share with your Azure AD credentials. Asterisk Linux asterisk involves configuring CIFS utils with your Azure AD credentials and using Keycl to store the credentials securely. Asterisk Mac OS asterisk similar to Linux, requires configuration with Azure AD. Asterisk network security, firewalls, virtual networks. Asterisk storage account firewall asterisk restrict access to your storage account based on IP addresses or virtual networks. Asterisk service endpoints asterisk allow traffic from specific virtual networks to access your storage account securely. Asterisk private endpoints asterisk assign a private IP address to your storage account within your virtual network, providing private connectivity. 8. Backup and recovery. Snapshots. Snapshots are point-in-time copies of a file share. They're useful for recovering from accidental deletions or modifications. Azure Backup. Azure Backup provides a more comprehensive backup solution, allowing you to schedule backups, retain backups for longer periods, and restore entire file shares. Azure Backup also enables cross-region restore capability. 9. Monitoring and logging. Azure Monitor. Azure Monitor provides metrics and logs to monitor the performance and health of your Azure file shares. You can create alerts based on these metrics. Metrics. Storage capacity used, transaction counts, latency. Logs. Audit logs, diagnostic logs. Storage analytics. Storage analytics provides detailed logs of all requests made to your storage account. 10. Cost considerations. Storage costs. Based on the amount of storage used. Premium storage is more expensive than standard storage. Transaction costs. Charges for read and write operations. Egress costs. Charges for data transferred out of Azure. 11. Advanced topics. Azure File Sync. Azure File Sync provides a way to synchronize on-premises file servers with Azure file shares. This allows you to cache frequently accessed files locally for faster performance. Large file shares. Azure file shares support large file shares, up to 100 TB for standard and 100 TB for premium. Pay attention to IOPS limits when using premium tiers. Configure your file shares according to the needs of your application. Performance optimization. Choose the right tier. Select the appropriate tier, standard or premium, based on your performance requirements. Use SMB 3.0. SMB 3.0 provides better performance and security. Optimize client-side configuration. Tune client-side settings for optimal performance. Use caching. Implement caching mechanisms to reduce latency. 12. Troubleshooting. Connectivity issues. Check network connectivity, firewall rules, and DNS settings. Authentication errors. Verify storage account keys, SAS tokens, and Azure AD configurations. Performance problems. Monitor metrics and logs to identify bottlenecks. Permissions issues. Double check RBAC roles and file share permissions. 13. Best practices. Secure your storage account. Use Azure AD authentication whenever possible. Rotate storage account keys regularly. Implement network security measures. Monitor your file shares. Use Azure Monitor to track performance and health. Set up alerts for critical events. Plan for backup and recovery. Use snapshots for quick recovery. Implement Azure Backup for long-term retention. Optimize for cost. Choose the appropriate storage tier. Monitor storage usage and delete unused data. Use infrastructure as code, IAC. Use tools like Terraform, ARM templates, or Bicep to manage your Azure file shares infrastructure. This enables automation, version control, and repeatability. This comprehensive guide should provide you with a solid foundation for working with Azure file shares. Remember to always consult the official Azure documentation for the latest information and best practices. Good luck.